Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial. In today's video, we will find the factors of 36. So let's start. Firstly, we have to express 36 multiplicatively in all possible ways. We will try for 1 and 36 can be written as 1 times 36. Now if we try for 2, we get 36 is equal to 2 times 18. Trying for 3, we get 3 times 12, which is equal to 36. Next, the number 4 gives us 4 times 9, which is again equal to 36. Now, if we try for 5, we see that 5 does not divide 36. So, try for 6, and we see that 6 times 6 is equal to 36. Now, look that there does not exist any number between this number and this number, which divides 36. So we will not move further. So look that we have obtained the factors of 36, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Therefore, the total number of factors of 36 is 9. Now, if we look at the factors of 36, we can see that among these numbers, 2 and 3 are prime numbers because these numbers have no divisors other than 1 and that number itself. So, the prime factors of 36 are 2 and 3. Thank you for watching.